Hi guys, greetings to you all. Another bomb again from the INEC. INEC has postponed governorship and the House of Assembly election, which would have been on 11th of March 2023. We don't know what their plan is. Another bomb again. They postponed it till 18th of March. What could be their plan? We don't know. What could be their reasons? We don't know. But as far as Nigeria is concerned, they have their reasons. And one of their reasons is they are looking for a way to rig it. Believe me or not, they are looking for a way to rig it. INEC, we don't trust you people anymore. INEC, the condition that our country is, you people kept our country, the condition it is. Look at what happened at Apapa. Look at what happened over Igbos. Look at what happened party to party. And you guys kept quiet. Look at how our country is. And you guys kept quiet. You people have scattered Nigeria. Look at now from 11th to 18th. Why wouldn't you people leave it on that 11th? Because people have planned how their week will run. You bringing them to another week is you scattering their plan. But I don't know, this our country is something else. Like I said in one of my videos, that we need international body to come and help us. Although we have been clamoring for this, we have been asking for this, but none of them want to answer us. But one day, they must surely answer us. My people, all I want you to do that day is gather yourself, behave well, play your role very well, go and vote that person that you want to vote. Don't look for trouble and let them not trouble you. Run away from trouble, because if eventually something happened to you, nobody will come and ask for you except your family members. None of them, both the governor, the president, the all will not know. So because of that, whatsoever you are doing, make sure that you are safe. Make sure that your family are safe. Very important. So my people, I saw this information. I brought it out to the table for we to digest it. Do you like what they did? Do you think that shifting this governorship and the House of Assembly election, which could have been taking place on the 11th of March, they shifted it to 18th? Do you think that is okay? Is it good? Please say it in the comment section. Do not forget to share this video. God bless you. Watch other videos if you haven't. As it dey hot, I go bring it to your table. Udo de Bye.